Welcome back, travelers. If you're craving some California sunshine and the glitz of Hollywood, then you're in for a treat. In this 7-day adventure, we're diving deep into the vibrant city of Los Angeles. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the 7-Day Itinerary for more exciting travel content. Day 1. Arrival and exploration. Budget hotel, stay in Los Angeles. Midrange hotel, the Hollywood Roosevelt. Luxury hotel, the Ritz-Carlton Los Angeles. After checking into your chosen accommodation, kick off your Los Angeles escapade with a stroll along the iconic Hollywood Walk of Fame. Grab a bite at Mel's Drive-In for some classic American diner fare. Then, head to Griffith Observatory for stunning views of the city and a glimpse of the stars. Day 2, beach day. Rise and shine for a day of sun, sand, and surf. Start your morning with breakfast at Earth Cafe, and then make your way to Santa Monica Pier. Enjoy the rides, street performers, and ocean breeze. For lunch, indulge in fresh seafood at the Lobster. Spend the afternoon relaxing on Santa Monica Beach before catching the sunset. Day 3, cultural immersion. Today is all about exploring the diverse cultural offerings of Los Angeles. Begin with a visit to the Getty Center, home to an impressive collection of art and stunning architecture. For lunch, try the delicious Mexican cuisine at Guelaguetza. In the afternoon, wander through the vibrant streets of Little Tokyo and sample some sushi at Sushi Gen. Day 4, studio tour. No trip to Los Angeles is complete without experiencing the magic of Hollywood studios. Book a tour with Warner Brothers Studio Tour or Universal Studios Hollywood for behind-the-scenes access to your favorite films and TV shows. For lunch, dine at In-N-Out Burger for a taste of the West Coast's famous burgers. Day 5, outdoor adventure. Escape the city hustle and bustle for a day of outdoor adventure. Head to Runyon Canyon Park for a scenic hike with panoramic views of Los Angeles. After working up an appetite, grab lunch at the Griddle Cafe for their famous oversized pancakes. In the evening, catch a live performance at the Hollywood Bowl for an unforgettable night under the stars. Day 6, shopping spree. Indulge in some retail therapy at Los Angeles' premier shopping destinations. Start your day at the Grove for a mix of shops, dining, and entertainment. For lunch, try the gourmet sandwiches at Jones on 3rd. Continue your shopping spree on Rodeo Drive, where you'll find luxury boutiques and designer brands. Day 7, museum day. Wrap up your Los Angeles adventure with a day dedicated to exploring the city's world-class museums. Begin with a visit to the Los Angeles County Museum of Art, LACMA, to admire its vast collection spanning thousands of years. For lunch, dine at République for delicious French-inspired cuisine. In the afternoon, explore the exhibits at the Broad, showcasing contemporary art from around the world. That concludes our 7-day itinerary in the City of Angels. We hope you've enjoyed this journey with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the 7-Day Itinerary for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels. Disclaimer: I have not been paid by any company mentioned in this itinerary. All recommendations are based on personal experience and research.